This is the most beautiful scenic train ride in Pennsylvania. Welcome aboard the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railway, departing from the charming town of Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania, often called the Switzerland of America. As the train rolls out of the historic station, you're stepping back in time on a journey through some of the most stunning scenery in the Pocono Mountains. Watch as the tracks follow the winding Lehigh River, cutting through steep cliffs and lush forests. In the fall, these mountains burst into brilliant shades of red, orange, and gold, a true photographer's dream. This rail line once carried coal through the gorge, fueling America's early industry. Today, it offers peaceful rides where history meets natural beauty. So sit back, relax, and let the gentle rhythm of the train carry you through the heart of Pennsylvania's wilderness. It's the most beautiful one-day trip you can do with your friends and family, a timeless adventure you'll never forget. This train ride lasts about 70 minutes, round trip. Adult fare $20 to $24 and kids between 3 to 12 years $9. Autumn leaf trains run 45 minutes round trip. Schedules will be adhered to as closely as possible. Please arrive 1 hour prior to your scheduled train departure.
Thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and leave a comment you want to ask any question.